Hey. Hey. Let me just grab it. I got Hannah fucking shitting on a tank top too.
So I haven't. Either you, DVR.
Alright, so we got two amp repair guys here. We might as well give them some YouTube love. We got Ethan from the Amp Lab, and Mark Kennedy.
Hey.
Mark Kennedy's on Facebook. Hit him up if you need. One of these guys can take care of your amp needs. They're getting ready to do an in-show repair. We got some RCA inputs, I think. Something wrong with the inputs, right?
It broke off.
Oh, yeah. It needs a little help.
It's over.
So they're going to fix it up.
So, we gotta hook this up.
When you get your truck up, we're gonna hook that up. See, that's the problem.
Okay, extra tower cash grab once again.
Yo, what you got?
2017.
Where you at?
Ethan with the Amp Lab. Mark Kennedy.
Holy moly! What's your name, bro?
Preparing a Sundown 7500. Can someone come over and hold this out a little bit?
9 people later. Alright, we're going to see a rain.
Just hold it out. Think about there is good.
So if you want to see it go down,
Live amp repairs at the show.
we're about to get it done.
Video of live.
Say what? A video what?
I was messing with him saying, I'm making a video of a live video. Only 2 viewers. We got to get more likes for the Amp Lab.
We're gonna get it up there.
3.
4.
Alright.
It's because everybody's here.
Everybody stopped in when you started watching the
That's right, everybody is here.
I wish we had someone to hold this, but it's gonna get hot quick. I got vice grips right there.
Did you blow a MOSFET right here?
It's left swiggly. Damn. I'm trying to do this left-handed. Okay, you know what you're doing? Well, barely.
It's a lot of pressure.
Going better than Dio did on mine. What? Dio got him to the show, bro. He did it on the fucking tape just like this. Same exact way. The end of a driveway. It was raining.
You gotta get a lightning storm in the car.
More solid than it was before. You were worried about the background. That's some awesome hair.
It's recording. You're live on Facebook.
Oh, fuck. Every time I go live, like shit goes wrong.
This is not a live camera. I'm joking, alright? This is not a Facebook app on my camera.
A lot of rappers talking that shit, not enough doing that shit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. People acting like I ain't a fucking criminal. Like I ain't never doing dirt, though. Probably cause the way I'm doing shit is clinical. But I've been putting in some work, bro. I see you looking at me cynical. I ain't fucking with your smirk, hoe. We've been doing shit despicable. We just keep it on the low. For example, I've been to the movie with my pants full, Twix, bag of chips, plus a snap roll, stealing all the shampoos from the hotels, pretty bathrooms, cheating out the peeking in the classroom, looking like a nice guy till I take your motherfucking Wi-Fi and touring every single song.